Alright, welcome back. I must watch. Hear what Yoruba politician told Bühàrï about Ødúdúwa and Biafra agitators. Alright, the news in details. Speaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly, Mudashiru Obasa, has called on the federal government to dialogue with those seeking to divide the nation instead of utilization of force. Obasa, who additionally condemned the deployment of military to Southeast, contended that the utilization of the military trying to subdue agitations for secession would not yield the desired result, since it is essential for democracy for a group to stand up concerning how they are governed. As indicated by him, 22 years of unbroken democracy being appreciated by the Nigerians is worthy of festivity in any case, and there are numerous things yet to be done after so long, adding that this had led to the strain in the country. During the debate on a motion about the 22 years of unbroken democracy in Nigeria raised by Seitonji David, the Lagos Assembly lawmakers commended President Muhammadu Buhari for making a chief order conceding self-governance to state councils and the legal executive, and for respecting the late MKO Abiola with the declaration of June 12 as Democracy Day. Obasa clarified that the right to protest ought not be detracted from Nigerians insofar as much right isn't underestimated. Alright, there is no wrongdoing in looking for discrete countries inside our current country. He said he is referenced a few months where the residents have called for disintegration. Those addressing individuals through the ideology of common agreement should pay attention to individuals, he said, encouraging the government to draw in the gathering and approaching the National Assembly individuals to go past weeping on the floor of the House and genuinely reject the Constitution. Alright, and meanwhile, the House noticed brief quietness out of appreciation for the late MKO Abiola and then every one of the individuals who lost their lives over the span of the struggle for democracy. Alright, prior in his commitment, Rotimi Olowo described the current constitution as fraud. According to him, as I quote, says this 1999 constitution amended so often can presently don't be embellished. It is fraud, he said, as he called for the similarity to regionalism where the interest of the minority is dealt with. Likewise, Gbọ́láhàn Yíṣàwù proposed an overhaul of the constitution while noticing that a few things on the selective rundown be developed. On his part, Honorable BC Yusuf noticed that Nigeria's democracy is definitely not a genuine reflection of the desire of individuals, adding that the constitution was promulgated through a decree. Different lawmakers who talked concerning the motion were Tobun Abiodun, who grumbled that states are not permitted to deal with their resources. Alright, my people, and then that has been it on this one. It has been said that see what Yoruba politician told Bühàrï about Ødúdúwa and then Biafra agitators. Alright, my people, well, a lot of things definitely had been said. Well, it has been said also by Emmanuel Asike, that no place like home, Biafra is coming. And then Tunde Ahmed has said that my opinion is let the Yorubas and Biafras go. Well, that has been it. Well, according to Ishaku, on this one, he says, Biafra, Ødúdúwa, Middle Belt, let's join hands to fight this battle. Well, I think majority of people are on one page right now. Well, the fact remains that this set of people have endured enough. And then this time around, when you put someone to the wall, definitely what will happen? The person will retaliate. And then it has also been said that a goat does not bite. But if you push that goat, push that goat to the wall, my brother, that goat will not only bite to eat, swallow. You understand? So that's what exactly is happening to our people. That's what is happening right now. And then according to what has been said, well, the majority of people have said it, that we can no longer remain in this country. We are tired. Pharaoh, let my people go. All right. And then I just remember the Egyptians, the Israelites, whereby they were held hostage, and Pharaoh never wanted them to go, and God has been insisting, Pharaoh, let my people go. But in the end, what happened? All right. And then my people, a lot of things have been said, but our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to protect us. Yes, and that is it. There's nothing prayers cannot do. It has been tested and confirmed that prayers in this kind of situation, you, me, your brother, your sister, everyone has found his or herself. My brother, this is a spiritual one. Yes, a spiritual warfare. So everyone needs to rise up and pray, so that God will destroy some things for us to be elevated. You will understand that. I know a lot of people understand what I mean. All right. Meanwhile, majority of things are actually being said. Well, it has been said that as far as the Ødúdúwa nation is concerned, there will never and never be any form of presidential election or election in the country come 2023. If you are campaigning, my brother, don't waste your money, because this side of people have propagated the gospel all over, and then they've been able to achieve that by 2023 there won't be any election. We are not voting for anybody. In case you don't know, that has been the reason why they've been going around, rallying around to get others informed about it, that this 2023 make una no vote, make una let una head correct. My brother, my sister, wonder shall never end. Well, a lot of things had actually been said onto this one. What more can we do? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.